Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Scheduling Order. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All of my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so now, as you all know, I did a video probably around about two days ago on Ahmed Osiris' client. I gave you all an update on his federal lawsuit against Henry County. So in that same video, I told you all that Henry County will file a summary judgment, and once they file that summary judgment, the case will be over with. Okay, so now I just want to refresh you all memory and do a quick recap so you all can hear me say that in this video. What's going to take place? It says 6. Nothing in this order precludes Henry County from filing a Rule 12C motion for judgment on the pleading once the pleading are closed. So again, once they go back, Henry County can file a summary judgment, and once they file a summary judgment, they can get the case dismissed that way as well. Okay, so as you all heard, I told you all what will take place before it's going to happen, and this is what's going to happen. Like I showed y'all in the other case of a young lady who sued the case in the same video. Actually, she sued the county and federal court and lost. Then she turned back around and sued that same county and state court and won. Okay, so now let's go to the scheduling order that was entered in Ahmed Osiris' client's case on the 20th of this month. So let's go there. Okay, so now as you all can see, this was filed on August the 20th, 2018, right? Same plaintiff, same defendant. Everything's still the same. Let's read the scheduling order. Upon review of the information contained in the joint preliminary report and discovery plan, form completed and filed with the parties, the court hereby approves the following scheduling order. Okay, so now this is the scheduling order. But pay close attention. Number 1 says close of fact discovery, and that's to be filed before November 30th, 2018. Number 2 says deadline to file summary judgment motions or pretrial order if no motions are filed. Okay, so again, this is clearly what they're trying to do and what they're setting up. They're setting up a summary judgment for Henry County. And once Henry County get the summary judgment, then Henry County also asks for, in their discovery plan or their joint preliminary report, they also ask for payment of attorney fees. So not only if his client lose, or should I say when his client lose, his client going to have to pay Henry County attorney fees. So not only did his client pay to come to court to lose, his client will still be on child support, and his client will have to pay the attorney for the county attorney fees, which I didn't even know they can do that. But hey, they put it in their joint preliminary report, so obviously they can. So that's another thing. So like I stated before, I'm gonna keep you all updated. Let's find out if the fraud of law can do what he say he can do. He called himself the man. He the God of so and so, this, that, and the other. Hey man, time to apply that pressure. So with that being said, let's see if he about that action, man. Like I stated, I got other guys' client cases that I got my eye on as well. I still got my eye on Wasil client case. They sent his client. Well, they trying to send his client before a magistrate judge. They not even trying to put him in front of a real district judge. They sent him in front of a magistrate judge. They just waiting for him to sign the agreement or to agree to go before the magistrate judge so they can get this thing over with. Okay. Now with Ahmed Osiris' client, as you all know, I'm keeping y'all updated. And plus, I also got other cases coming up as well. Alright, but look, my battery about to die. So, with that being said, if you need my help, hit me up in my email at yahismagnified@gmail.com. Let's go and get this remedy. that start the fight and keep everything moving. Okay. For all the brothers out there fighting, continue to fight. Don't get discouraged. You know, beat them down in the state courts where they have jurisdiction to do so at. Okay. So with that being said, though, you all be blessed. Enjoy your day. For those who haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and for those who haven't hit the notification button, hit that bell at the bottom of the screen. So with that being said, you all be blessed again. Shalom.